Hey YouTube, it's been a little bit. uh, just doing an update here. It's I just got loaded over here in Georgia, Lake City, Georgia, is where I got loaded, and this load's going to Lacey, Washington, all the way up right by the Canadian border, about far as you can go on the west coast, northwest coast, that is, without going into Canada and Alaska. But no, last video I said I'd do one with what I keep on the truck, and on my truck, now everybody's gonna be different what they keep on their truck, if they even keep things on their truck. I put canned foods on the truck, like soups, peanut butter. I put water on my truck, so you always got something to drink. I got a coffee pot. It's one of them Keurigs. I've got that on here. I've got a little crock pot that you can buy at these truck stops. That one plugs into the cigarette lighter. But hang on a second, and I'll show you one of the stoves that I keep on this truck, which I gotta get some more propane tank for it. It comes in that little case. It's a portable gas stove is what it is, but it runs on them little tanks similar to the Coleman. But there it is. It's in a case. You can take it out. Your tank will go in here. That door opens up. I got to clean it up because I've used it. And as you once you got the tank in there, all you got to do to light it is there's a button on it. You turn it's a knob. The switch on it is what locks your tank in. And you turn the knob all the way and you'll hear it click. And when it clicks, it's lit. I got little saucepans on here, utensils. I do keep first aid kit on the truck with me, which that reminds me, I got redo my first aid kit, because that's getting a little low. I've used it for 3 years, and I just go, to like Walmart, buy a cheap first aid kit, which pretty much has everything in it. Band-aids, it even has throwaway gloves in it, It's got all kinds of things in it. I keep, tools on my truck. Matter of fact, this is just one kit that I got right now on it, but I have tools on the truck, and what else here? I put coffee on my truck, so, because coffee here at Pilots, Flying J's, Loves, Pilots, all of them, it gets expensive for 1 cup of coffee. Some places are over $2 a cup. So, yeah, I keep a lot of things on the truck. Now, if you got a refrigerator in your truck, or you're thinking about getting one, you can even put, like, sandwich meat on your truck, all kinds of different things. Truck I used to have had a fridge, and I kept Polish sausage on there, I kept sandwich meat in it, I kept fruit, I kept vegetables, I even had milk on the truck. But without a fridge, and I haven't gone and gotten one yet, so I can't keep all that on there. Hang on a second. Oh, I thought Pam was gonna run into the nose of that truck right across from me. You don't pull ahead more, he probably will. He'll clean her. Take a look. There's a truck right there behind the trailer. I don't know if he got it or not. He's gonna keep trying back up. Oh, I think he's realized he can't make that swing the way he's sitting. It's a USA truck behind him. Yeah. Yesterday I bought me a new vape. It's costs $63 for this one. Friggin' tank is huge. It holds some juice in that tank. It charges up on the side. You don't need batteries for this one. I do still have my other one, but hell, needed an update on vape. Speaking of vape, if you do vape, I've just recently ordered a kit to make your own vape, and this kit is $49.99 is what I paid for it, and it's got everything that you need to make your own vape juice. I haven't made any yet, because the kit showed up after I left the house. It just showed up yesterday, and I left Monday from being home. So, yeah, when I get home, I'm gonna try make some vape juice. They got all kinds of recipes online, and you can make your own. But no, just a few things that I keep on the truck, and I'm always adding to what I keep on the truck. So yeah, I got my laptop with me. I used to have TV, but I got rid of that when I took a year off. But I'll get back to it. Yeah. If you cook on your truck, you'll be saving quite a bit of money. Because I've done it before. You eat at these places all the time. And then a friend of mine told me about cooking on the truck. So it helps. It saves money. Go to Walmart. Go to Dollar General. Go to the Dollar Tree. Anywhere. And you can actually fill your truck full of food and go in every now and then, like to the Iron Skillet or even a better restaurant than that, and have your nice hot meal, get you out of the truck for a little bit. But doing it all the time, it will run into money. Matter of fact, I just went in here to this Love's down here in Emerson, Georgia, and which is Bartow. I guess I said it right. And I just went in here and spent $50 just on water. I also keep this on the truck too. Beef jerkies. They're good for when you drive in and can't get you something, have it sitting there, open, leave cap on it though. And grab one, while you're driving. Yeah, it's I bought 2 of them, and I always keep one, so when I'm driving, because I do drive right up to beginning of the day, I'll drive right up to when it's time for me to do my half hour. And then, depending on how late it is, I'll finish driving my clock out. I'll have maybe 5-10 minutes left on my clock when I pull over. But yeah, and other than that, only other time that I pull over, is like the restroom. But keep that left hand door shut and you can make some money. Notice my shirt says Mercer on it. just one shirt. But no, it's gonna be quite a run, running from here to Lacey, Washington. So I'm like, when I first began, it was, well, where I picked up, it was 45 hours away, and I'm at 38 hours now. It delivers the 13th, so plenty of time to get up there. I'm hoping I don't run into any of that winter mess like I did over in New York. Yeah, that was up around Albany, New York, actually. So, well, this video's almost 17 minutes long, so I'm gonna probably cut it off here and get it uploaded. And I'll keep you up to date on, more things as I add them to my truck. What I'm gonna begin keeping on here and everything. And yeah, it's been busy. I've had good paychecks, so I'm running pretty good. Like I said, this load picked up earlier, well, actually a little while ago, and heading up there to Lacey, and we'll keep you updated. See if we can't get into some places and get some videos of areas or something like that. But I don't know how well we'll get the videos of places, but we'll try. And pretty good vape. Y'all be safe, and we'll talk to you next video, which hopefully it won't be as take as long to put another video up. I think this one's about a week overdue, so I'm gonna try doing like maybe every other night, maybe. We'll try that. I don't know about this every night thing yet, but we'll try upload a video like every other night or every 2 nights, something like that. And it'd be, more of what I'm putting on the truck, like I said, and places that I'm going and things like that. I'll let you know how I do. And I'm watching this McLean driver back up in there. He almost hit that blue truck, but he didn't. But no. So everyone be safe. Keep them tires rolling, and we'll talk soon. Peace.